Hello and welcome to another episode of Making Diablo clone in Lisp. So today we are working on map rendering again. Well, still we are fixing the isometric coordinates and all of the related stuff. So yeah, the thing that I'm aiming for today is map boundaries. So the thing is that if I have like tiny map fragments and all of those are like in center position around 0, 0, there is no problem. I got 60 FPS, everything is fine. But then if I go ahead and instead of that I add some pretty huge map chunk, let's say, yeah, let me do just that. Let me have Yeah, I think my huge map chunk I did was map ISO or something. I can't quite recall. How am I keep pressing comma instead of M? Okay, so if I got this huge, yeah, map fragment, you can even see it's, wow, it's way worse than I thought it is. I mean, hello? This isn't, yeah, this is bonkers. I mean, I've pressed new game and I can't see shit, really. I mean, why? How come? Okay, so let me kill the thing, can I? Yeah, okay, let me just restart the thing. Well, this is way worse than it were previously. Okay, so let me try and change the config. So let me, how was it? Demo something. Yeah, okay, sure, I have to open that manually. So it's in the local share demo, and then, yeah, config ini. Sorry. So if I like command all of that, what would happen? So let's see. Let's load the whole thing again and try to call it again. So what do I have? Dun, dun, dun. Whoa, what? Why? How? I mean, oh, I see. That's because of some of my debugging code or something. So, okay, where is it? System draw of player system. Okay, got it. Dun, 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 dun. So let's go to that and player system draw. So I figure here I'm trying to draw something with that debug thing and it's not actually working. So where debug text, blah blah blah. Okay, where is the thing? Okay, let's see. Debug something. So target debug. Oh yeah, I think that's that possibly, or is it? What the fuck is that? I can't even. Debug ellipse. Debug target. Oh yeah, I see. Okay. Debug text. Debug. Oh yeah, debug rectangle. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Debug text. Debug cursor. Wait, I can't actually see anything criminal here, so that should be working. This is getting weird right off the bat. So let's try again then. Let's press new game. Let's try and figure out. So method system draw of player system. We're calling at the back rectangle. Oh yeah, I see. Oh yeah, now I got it. So yeah, I do exactly that. So I gotta put that into some when like entity valid, right? Entity valid. Come on, entity valid p. This thing. So when this is valid, only then we do that. And then, well, in the other case we don't. So let's, god damn it, let's see if that works. I mean, it should. Yeah, we got it. So now, as you can see, the FPS value is down to whooping 33, and that's not how it's supposed to be. As well, this is just some pixel crap like game with 600 by 800 resolutions, so it should be like 60 FPS all along. But then, yeah, it drops to 30, or like 40 or whatever. And as you can see, this boundary is not correct at all. So wait a sec, let me try and put back some of those debugging aids I had. Yeah, let's start with cursor and like collisions. I don't know. Sorry. Yeah, not really healthy these days. Okay, so this works. So what if we add, for instance, sprite? That also should work, and then also target and path. Target and path. So the problem is I'm figuring in the grid, in the debugging grid, because it takes quite a while to draw all of that. Yeah, it works pretty well, but then when we turn on this grid, wait, have I saved it? Yeah, I did. So then we hit new game and voila. Yeah, right, exactly. That's what I meant. So that's why I need those map boundaries to know what to render and what to emit from rendering. So let's do that temporarily. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, let's go to map system and try and implement that thing. Yes, so that order is for some further research, for some future research, but then, yeah, the bounds. Okay, figure the bounds. Yeah, sure. Okay, so I think I need my drawings, my awesome like diagram, like this one. Yep. So, the screen, yeah, isometric. Alright. So what exactly is the problem? So let me, I don't know, probably I should draw some other thing. Okay, so let me start, start the driver for my tablet. How it is called again? I forget. Pen tablet, yeah. Yeah. And then let me grab the tablet and try and draw that. Yeah, here we go. Damn it. Alright, so the problem is that we got some map chunk. So it starts at its own like 0, 0 tile here. So this is 0, 0, both in orthogonal and isometric coordinates. And it got some tiles here. So here we go. And then here, so yeah, the tiles. And we know it's width and height in both, well, tiles and pixels. So we have like, wait, so where is the, okay, so I gotta start tiled then. And have a look at this thing. Yeah, sure, later. Definitely later. Next month. Okay, so, yeah, map ISO. No, probably a bad example, so let's open map 1. So we got 0, 0 here and like 4, 4 here. So its size is 5 by 5, right? Okay, so, oops. So where was I? The size. So it goes down here. Yeah, okay, makes sense. So we got like, I don't know, W by H or something. The size of map chunk, that's an H. Yeah, let me draw it a little bit better. Yeah, H. Okay, so we got the size. And the problem is that, well, I got the screen, which only draws a portion of that. So, like, let's say that this is a screen. Let me draw it several times. To be really bold. Like that. Okay, so this is the screen. And the thing is, I gotta figure the number of this tile, like where the 0, 0 of the screen hits this thing. I gotta figure this tile. So this, damn it, tile, god damn it, why I have some terrible handwriting. This is, god damn it, column and row. So I gotta know this tile, column, and row. And then I gotta know this. Well, imagine that it hits some tile here. So I gotta know this tile. So this is kinda, oops, how do I? Yeah, I pressed some wrong thing and now, yeah, okay. So tile, god damn it, why it keeps doing that? Yeah, okay. So this is tile, let's call it, I don't know, tile start, wait, how have I called it here? From call. Yeah, let's call it from tile. So from, or like tile from. So this is tile from, and this is tile to. So we start like from this to this, although it's not exactly correct because we start by doing like the rows in isometric systems. So we go like diagonally. Yeah. Well, that kind of changes the thing, doesn't it? Yeah, tile 2, and I gotta know it's column and row 2. So this is unknown and this is unknown. So I know where this screen is because it is centered around camera. So I got camera X and Y, which are orthogonal, of course. Orthogonal. Okay, so I got an idea. I do know these orthogonal X and Y, so I can translate that into... Well, okay, first of all, I gotta translate it to the index in this particular map chunk, right? So I gotta like know this tile index, this kind of center tile, right? And then I actually know, I always know how many like tiles fit into the screen, right? I can just divide the screen width and height over, well, the tile width and height. So this is always a constant, and I can like remove, well, half of that constant from this index, and it will get me somewhere, probably. I'm not exactly sure. But this actually might work. Yeah, the only problem is that I got a center tile, and yeah, there definitely would be off by 1 year, but that's, yeah, not even an issue, because it's easily fixable. And then, yeah, okay, the actual problem is the drawing order, because I go like drawing here, right? So I gotta... Ooh, maybe it would be easier to calculate in orthogonal system, wouldn't it? Let me think for a moment. But then again, maybe not. Because, again, this kind of angle, this 45 degrees slope of, well, the difference between isometric and orthogonal systems, it is also always a constant, right? It's always the same angle, the same 45 degrees. So there might be not even a problem here. Okay, so let me redraw that more clear so that I got the screen. So here's... Oh, god damn it. How can I... am I doing that? Okay, so there's the screen, right? Like 800 by whatever 100. So we got the tiles, right? Oh, I got terrible hand coordination, so yeah, there's going to be that. Okay, so what if I just turn slightly my tablet in different direction, and then like, whoop, nope. Okay, so this is like that, and then I gotta do like that, nope, like that, nope, well, damn it, like that, okay. Terrible, this is terrible. How can I do that? Oh, god damn it. I mean, I can probably take some instrument here, some line, but I want to do that by hand. Okay, so we got, god damn it. We got the tiles. Here we go. Okay, this will do. This will do. So then the other direction, like that. Yep. This is working. I'm I'm already feeling that I'm drawing better, like every second. Okay, so this is the screen, right? The screen space, let's call it. Oh, no, I didn't want to do that. God damn it, I turned on the eraser again. God damn it. Okay. So this is like this boundary of the screen, and then this. Okay. Damn it. Okay, here we go. So I think I can calculate this like center tile. Yeah, let's call it center tile. So there would be the index of the tile, right? And then if I go like, okay, so if we have like a half of the screen, it means, well, that I basically have to subtract and then add like a half of the screen width over, god damn it, over, over tile width. For fuck's sake. Okay, so the screen width over tile width, and then like the half of that. So I gotta add this to the center tile X, and then there it would be the coordinate of the start, or like the from tile, and then the CY minus, so the plus, no, there would be, this would be the end. So okay, let's have the end. This is the 2 tile, so screen height over tile height over 2, yeah. So this is 2 tile, and then from tile would be CX minus this very thing over tile width over 2, and then CY over SH over TH over 2. All right, and then the actual CX and CY would be, okay, what would that be? Let me think for a moment. Okay, so I gotta consider here the coordinates of the camera, and then, ooh, okay, what would that be? So I got some coordinate, right? I gotta like translate something to, well, to the isometric tile index, yeah, and then this something would be just the, like the center of the screen, right? So I think I have some helper functions for that. Okay, let's open coordinate, goddammit. Okay, what have I changed here? Oh yeah, okay. So I got nearest tile, and I got nearest tile center, and more importantly, I have screen to orthogonal, right? Screen to orthogonal, screen to... Wait, and I got screen to tiles. Okay. Screen to orthogonal. So does it consider the coordinates of the camera? Wait. So actually camera is always at the center of the screen, right? So I can use that. I definitely can use that. I gotta just translate camera coordinates, which are, by the way, orthogonal, to the isometric, right? So what do I have for that? I have orthogonal to isometric. Alright. So, okay, let me see. So let me just start the actual game and have a look. The game. So, and I'm kind of at a weird position, but whatever. So if I go with coordinate and with coordinate of camera entity, do I have that camera entity? Yeah, I do have that. So blah blah blah. The body, yeah, I gotta print or like just have a look at X and Y. Oops, the fuck? Well, but yeah, values, sure. Sorry. How do I continue? So values. Now second Y, so 5, 5 and 0.8. So if I move somewhere here, I get different coordinates, right? So yeah, they were better previously. Let me just try and set the player's coordinate. So player entity, yeah, like that. Okay, this will do. So yeah, the camera, wait. Oh yeah, right, so the camera position is exactly the same as the character position, and again it is right in the middle of the screen. So first of all, I gotta convert those to isometric, right? So let's do that. So orthogonal to isometric. Orthogonal to isometric of those. Okay, so I gotta reuse this macro here. And yeah, orthogonal to isometric. X and Y. Here we go. Yeah, 0 and 0.5. Okay. So what does it yield? So I gotta translate that to the tile index, right? Do I have anything for that? So isometric orthogonal, blah, 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 yada yada. Yeah, I got tiles to screen and screen to tiles. Isometric coordinates into screen coordinates. No, that's not exactly what I need though, is it? I gotta multiply that, so I gotta like use tiles to screen, right? Tiles to screen. Wait, why would I use that? It's like unit of measure is like the portion of the tile, right? What do I need here? Okay, so to calculate that stuff, I actually need that. I actually need those coordinates. So, okay. I mean, I'm slightly weirded out by the fact that those are floating points and I gotta have, obviously, integer coordinates. But, okay, let's just go with that. So... okay, 0 and 0.5. Right. Okay. Well. 0 and 0.5. I'm not quite following it here. Wait, I do follow it here, but not exactly. Okay, so I think it's kinda easy to make another step. I gotta just add the... Okay, how do I gotta set it with mvlat, I think, here. So mvlat, and damn it. I forgot the number of parentheses required here, so let's use it like that, like center X and center Y. No, I think I don't actually need it here, and then yeah, like that maybe. So yeah, values cx, cy. So yeah, here we go. So now instead of values, I gotta add to cx. What do I gotta add? I gotta like, okay, let's start with hard coding here with some constants. So I gotta divide 600 by tile width, which is 64. Wait, 800. My screen width is 800. And then by 2. So here we go. And let's maybe start with like something like that. So we got floating point values, and then cy, and we divide 600 by 32 and again by 2. Here we go. I got it. So 625 and 9857. So we can round that, and yeah, because I was adding, this is the coordinates of the end, right? So this is actually the coordinate. Let's round it to the towards the positive infinity. So we'll have 6 or like 7, let's say 7 and 10. So 7 and 10 is the index of the tile I have to render last. And yeah, I'm slightly this mana indicator here is not really can I like temporarily turn that off? Player system, yada yada, draw orbs, yeah, the orbs. So what if I do that just temporarily? Okay, so this is slightly nicer. So, wait, where was my thing? Yeah, here we go. So 7 and 10. And basically this should be the coordinate of like this tile, right? So let's check if that's correct. So this is, yeah, cursor ortho. No, I think I want to have a look at like the index of that thing. So how do I do that? So I draw, wait, what do I draw here? Yeah, this white thing. Okay, so S1X, S1Y, so let's add debug text. Something like, I don't know, cursor with some like cursor this and this. Wait, those are integers, aren't they? S1X, S1Y, yeah, wait, what's going on? Absolute viewport. No, that's not really useful. Those are the pixel coordinates, I don't need those, I think. Wait, why am I doing this? Oh yeah, I figure. So I think what I need here is OX and OY. Most probably. So yeah, I already got some debug line for that here. So OX and OY. So let's see. Where's that? Ortho. It says ortho. Why does it say ortho? Wait. Those coordinates are isometric. Are they though? Oh, fuck my life. Okay, so anyway, let's have a look at this. So its coordinate is 15 and 3. Yeah, I think I've confused orthogonal and isometric again somewhere along this calculation. Because this tile coordinate is 15 and 3. Right. Yeah, well, exactly. If I were drawing those indices by just going horizontally and vertically, like horizontally with columns and vertically with rows, it would have done the trick, this addition, this thing. But I'm drawing those like rotated 45 degrees, right? So I gotta do that differently. So okay, what again are those X and Y? So let's, god damn it. So let's add those into the mix. So we got 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, I'm trying to think geometry, and because of that, yeah, my eyes are rolling. So if we are here, if this position is like XY, right? We gotta go like here, like on this row, and get somewhere here where we hit that, where we hit the bottom of the screen, right? Or like this angle, this left bottom angle, sorry, right bottom angle. Yeah, I'm confusing left and right. What do you expect from a man who knows geometry that bad? Okay, so the idea is that I can calculate its x by just adding like this space. How do I calculate this space? I mean, if I just divide the screen width over 64, the tile width, what would that be, by the way? By 44, and then by 2, so like the half of the screen. So this is like 6 1/4 of a tile, right? So like this is 0, or yeah, like let's count it as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. This is not how it's working at all. Okay, so let me think. Probably I gotta draw some like rectangular triangle here and calculate some cosine, but this would be math. I'm missing something obvious here. Okay, so if we kind of move here, yeah, what if we don't divide it by 2? What if we do that? We got 12.5 of tiles. Okay, so let's... Oops, sorry. I managed to... God damn it. Managed to get my camera with my leg. Okay, so if we got 12 of those, so I gotta go... Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, it actually kind of makes sense, and then 12.5. It actually does make sense, right? Okay, so perhaps I figured the x coordinate, what to do with y. So what if I... Okay, let's do some calculations again. So what if we divide 600 by 32? And well, forget this 2 factor again. So 18.75. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, that was weird. How low was it though? Okay, so again, 1, 2. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, am I counting correctly? I mean, I think I do, because this constitutes like 32 pixels, right? This whole thing. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 of those. And probably here I actually do have to divide it by extra 2. 9 and 3, 7, 5. Wait, how many I calculated here again? I already forgot. God damn it. Why am I so ADHD-ish? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so if we round that, we actually got 10. So this looks correct a bit. Well, I mean, if I got this as the orthogonal, well, the idea is that I can only fit in the screen this big of tiles, approximately 10 by like 6 or 7, or well, 20 by 14, if you multiply this by 2. So if I if I can only fit this many of tiles into the screen, then yeah, I think if I subtract this number of tiles from like this center tile, I will have some kind of workable result. I will have something to work with. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, let's have a try. Oh boy. Hello, how you doing? Yeah, alright, where was I? The map system. Right. Dun, dun, dun. Right, the bounds. Oh boy. You saw viewport start text? No, I don't think I need that crap. ISO chunk X. Yeah, right. ISO chunk X. Right. So I gotta start with the camera position, right? The camera position. And yeah. But then somewhere along the maths, along this formula, somewhere I gotta take into account the coordinates of the map chunk, right? Okay, so let's say it starts... Let's say it starts here. Let's say this is its 0, 0. God damn it. Great scheme. Yeah, thanks. I was putting some effort into that. So yeah, let's say this is its 0. And we gotta know this coordinate. Okay. So this 0, 0. Okay, so let's say this 0, 0 is isometric. Wait, why would it be isometric? Because I think one of my design goals is that I always store coordinates in orthogonal system and only use isometric when I need to draw something. But yeah, here I actually do have to draw something. God damn it. All right. Anyway. Wait. So I gotta remember how my coordinate systems are working. So isometric goes here and orthogonal goes here. Huh. So I think I actually need orthogonal ones here. So I think I do have camera position here. Okay, well, let me do some coding here. So camera X. Wait, do I have camera somewhere? Yeah, okay, let's have a look at camera system. I think I had some handy macro somewhere. Yeah, with camera, this one. Binance. How am I using that again? Camera, okay. Yeah, let's add that. So with camera X and camera Y. And we gotta add, some extra parentheses. Let's add it here. So we got camera X and camera Y. Those are orthogonal. So then camera X and camera Y are orthogonal. So, let's say I got this like from X, right? No, wait. So kinda, yeah, I really gotta sleep more because yeah, I'm kinda quite tired. So I gotta like add to this camera X and camera Y some stuff and then also subtract the same stuff. So let's call it like delta X and delta Y, or how do we call it? Okay, I'm so bad at naming things. It's like half of the screen but in tiles. So yeah, like half screen width in, god damn it, half screen X? No, half screen width in tiles. This is ridiculous. This is like half screen W. Half screen W, yeah, whatever. I know that it is in tiles. So half screen W is, yeah, I think I gotta just do floors, so all of those are positive, so I gotta use, no, not floor, but the other, the ceiling. Yeah, so I'm not getting off by 1 year. So ceiling, screen, oh wait, display width. Display. Should I call that half display width? Yeah, let's call it like that. Half display width. Oh man. Yeah, let's leave it at W. So ceiling display width over tile width. I got this as a global tile width over. Yeah, that's it. And then half display H should be ceiling of display height over tile height, right? And then over 2, which is, by the way, the same as tile width. Let's put it that here so that we don't have any magic constants like 2 here. So we got those halves, right? So what if I add like double and fix num? What would happen? Yeah, okay. So then like from X would be what? It would be camera X. Wait. It would be the result of addition of camera X and half display width. What's going on? Half display width. And then from Y. Hey, and probably I want to also have a ceiling of that. So let's do just that. Because I want to integer coordinates, right? From Y. Okay. And so then ceiling. Wait, that's not from, that's 2. And the from would be minus, right? So we subtract it. So we go there. The X and then we go there. Yeah, okay, I think so. And then the same thing for Y. So we subtract from camera Y. We subtract half display, god damn it, work, half display height. So, okay, got it. So then the 2x would be ceiling of plus of camera X and half display, god damn it, half display width. And the same thing for Y, ceiling plus camera Y, half display height. Actually, those half things are constants. Wait. Yeah, I totally can put it here, can't I? Yep, I can. So let's move it above here. Oops. Yeah. Here we go. So now we got that as well. From x to right to x to y. Right. So I think that's it. So instead of doing that crap from colon from row, right? Oh, I'm using that in a lot of places. Okay, so wait, I'm not using the coordinates of the map chunk, but yeah, okay, this chunk starts at 0, 0, so that wouldn't be a big of mistake. So let's use that. Wait, where am I? Oh yeah. So from colon from row, where do we got that? Okay, bounce. Yeah, let's also do debug output of that stuff. So from x from y to x to y. Right, and then let's actually use it. Wait, where? Oh, yeah, okay. From row and from col. Right, so from y, because that's the row, and then from x, because that's the column. Yeah, let's start just with that. So what? Okay, invalid index should be non-negative. Oh yeah, I gotta clamp it at 0. Oh, fuck me. Okay, so I gotta just stop it and yeah, work it. So wait, why is it negative though? Not exactly sure, but yeah, let's do that. Let's do max, no, min, no, max of 0 and this. And the same thing for that. So, god damn it. So, nope. Missing extra parentheses here. So, from y is max of 0 and this. And the same thing goes for 2. Well, yeah, okay, I gotta figure that later. So, right. What the fuck is this shit? I mean, that's a huge number of warnings, isn't it? Undefined variables from call from row. Oh yeah, they are undefined, aren't they? But yeah, my debug grid is nil, so it would work. Although, yeah, that's weird. And that's some extra reminder of how flexible Common Lisp is. So I actually have a mistake in my code, but it isn't triggered in runtime. And yeah, well, I was bragging too early. What the fuck? You were absolute. What is going on? I mean, I haven't even started the new game, have I? Sparse index ref, viewport absolute. System draw and player system. Okay. This is some debug crap of mine, I think. System, debug text. No, wait, I'm not. I mean, can I have the look at backtrace again? Okay, let's have a look. So in system draw for a player system, I call, yeah, okay, thank you. I call viewport to absolute, which is not working for some reason. Viewport to absolute, probably this one. Mouse position, viewport absolute. So why wasn't it working? I mean, why was it working previously? I mean, yeah, 552 and 202. This does look like mouse coordinates, but then, oh yeah, I see. I managed to remove some very important stuff like this one. And yada yada with HP. Yeah, I should have done this. Okay, I see. Now I see. So let's recompile that and start again. Alright. So... New game. Okay, got it. So, from 0, 0... Okay, from 0, 0. Now that makes sense. So if I move here, still from 0, 0, but then as I'm moving below... Yeah, from 0, 1. Not exactly what I was expecting, but yeah. Okay, so 0, 1 is this style, right? Uh-huh, from 0, 1. Hello. So from 0, 1. Alright, so if I'm moving here... Yeah, it kinda makes sense. A little bit. But then it doesn't? Oh, yeah, because the map chunk is actually in diamond shape. I'm getting this diamond shape all over, right? Yes, that's not exactly how I should do it, I believe. But yeah, this was a nice try. And the good thing is I got FPS back to 60, yeah, at least that works. Alright, so again, I gotta do transition to another coordinate system somewhere along the way. So I gotta go from orthogonal to isometric. That's definite. Where was I? Yeah, camera X with camera. So I got with camera macro. Do I have with camera something isometric? Something like... No, I don't believe I do. Okay, wait. What the coordinate system? Something about camera? Nope. Okay, alright. Where was I? So in map system we got, yeah, the camera. Yeah, so first of all I gotta translate that to isometric. And only then add those... Wait. Why do I have to translate it to isometric though? Alright, so let me think again. So isometric goes this, like vertically and horizontally. And those coordinates of the tiles, no, those indices of the tiles, they are orthogonal as it happens. Yeah, they kinda are. They are orthogonal. Oof. So I think I might be in need of some awkward conversion from orthogonal to isometric, then adding this half screen here and here, and then converting back to, well, orthogonal. Awkward, yeah, quite awkward. I mean, this should be working for orthogonal as well. Wait, so I think I gotta like find what is the simple act of adding some coordinate in isometric system in orthogonal. So I got like this transition, like x goes to, okay, let me grab my pen. So x goes to x, yeah, this is different. So x, god damn it. Please stop, for fuck's sake. Oh, how do I... Okay, so yeah, x goes to like x, god damn it, to x plus like delta x. And then y goes y plus delta y. I've filtering tiles to show. Yeah, I'm trying to figure where to start. Yeah, and well, where to end. So well, to do that, I only have to add like half of the screen in tiles here and half of the screen in tiles here, like starting from the center. And I always know the coordinates of the center because that's the coordinates of the camera. And yeah, the only thing is that I'm confusing somewhere orthogonal with isometric again. So yeah, I think to solve that, I gotta like find out what this like, how do I call that operation, what this operation yields in orthogonal, right? So suppose those x and y, so those x and y are isometric, right? Yeah, because my isometric axis go like vertically and horizontally, I gotta just add a half here, half there. Right, so those are isometric. So what would be the same operation in orthogonal system? Which cores are used in draw engine? Well, to draw, what do you mean by engine first? So there is a lot of confusion here. So those indices of those tiles, if you look here, they're kind of orthogonal. So they're like 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0. So yeah, well, actually, here's the picture I'm using to remember this things. So if I'm looking at the screen and 0, 0 is here, the axis of isometric system go like here, like vertically and horizontally, and orthogonal goes like here, rotated 45 degrees and then like squashed with a factor of 2 by y, but whatever. So yeah, I think I gotta do that. So if this is isometric, wait, so what are the maths to convert isometric to orthogonal? Yeah, right, so it is, I think I can remove that by now. Oops. Yep. And that here. Okay, so this is simply x plus y and y minus x, y plus x, y minus x. So I gotta calculate, I gotta do the same in orthogonal. God damn it. Orthogonal. So let's call it x prime. So x prime equals y plus x, and y prime equals y minus x. Here we go, as simple as that. So then if we use, goddammit, if we use this like system of equations above, so we got that this new x prime, x prime would be, so you're trying to find coordinates of tiles in tiled. Well, not exactly, I'm trying to add like half of the screen to the center. So I kinda know, or at least I can easily calculate the coordinates in tiled. And the problem is I gotta add the half of the screen, but I gotta add it in isometric system, not in orthogonal. I mean, I did do that in orthogonal, and you've seen the result. It is kind of working, but it is drawing just... Wait, what? Why? How come? Where is it? Have I... What's going on? That was weird. But yeah, the problem is that now it is drawing like this diamond all the time. So if I like run here, you can see that it's still kinda trying to draw the diamond, which is kinda right if you think about that, but then yeah, you gotta change the coordinate system. So yeah, I'm trying to figure that. Right, so x prime would be what? So if it is equal y plus x, it is actually x. Yeah, let's call it like x0. For fuck's sake. Yeah, x0 and y0. Here we go. So it is y, yeah, y0 plus delta y plus x0 plus delta x. So then y prime would be y minus x, which would be y0 plus delta y minus x0 minus delta x. Right. Okay, I think I can cut a corner here and pre-calculate this delta y minus and delta y plus. It will be tricky. Yeah, it kinda is, but I'm kinda slowly getting a grasp over that. But yeah, I'm slowly getting the intuition about how this should work. So dun. Okay. So there still would be like twofold conversion back and forth. So wait a sec, with map chunks. Yeah, I think I can even move this above, like here. This would still work. And then I gotta... So what I gonna do? Yeah, I gotta calculate the isometric coordinates of the camera. So I think if you can take wider diamond and cut its angles, it kind of would do the trick, but I would be doing some extra work, and I'm all like pro performance here. So I kind of want to actually know this bounce of this rectangle, not bigger diamond. I mean, yeah, technically I can take, like, what can I do? Where is that? So if I have like this big, why it keeps doing that? If I have this big diamond which is map chunk, and then if I have the screen which is smaller, no wait, like smaller, I can actually calculate the coordinates of some diamond which would be enclosing this rectangle which is the screen. But then I would be rendering all of those extra stuff here, and yeah, that's not really cool on performance. I mean, I think it would be twice the effort. It would be the square. I mean, I'm shit in geometry basically, but it looks like if you add up all of those extra triangles, you'll get the same the same rectangle. I'm not sure. So yeah, I mean, I can do that, and it would be probably simpler, but yeah, the extra stuff to draw, so I don't want that. Okay, so I think I got this. I think I can calculate that. So I gotta have the isometric coordinates of the camera. 2 times more. Yeah, I think so. So the isometric coordinates of the camera. How do I? Yeah, MVLET again. So MVLET iso camera X and iso camera Y. Should be just the result of orthogonal to isometric of camera X and camera Y. Here we go. So I have that. We need extra parentheses again. Okay. So we got ISO camera X, ISO camera Y. So we can wait. So we got that. I mean, yeah, I can probably just go ahead and... Or wait. I mean, is this even music? How? Yeah, that's pretty depressing. Right, where is I? I'm thinking whether I actually should have that, or can I like calculate that on the fly? I also have to take into account the start of this thing, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's start with the simple, straightforward approach first. So we got ISO camera X, ISO camera Y, yada yada. So we gotta, I think, do the very same here, but do just that ISO camera X, ISO camera Y, and probably not do the ceiling. Yeah, right. And then this too. So just like that. Maybe we can calculate array of indices in screen tiles once simply by calling the names for 00 screen post and move it array of camera. The array. This sounds troublesome because, I mean, you would have some like extra data structure for this thing you can calculate on the fly. So yeah, maybe not. But yeah, the idea is that this is basically just simple arithmetics and nothing more. I just gotta figure out how to actually do that. So yeah, I got from X, and this is I saw from X, and then I saw from Y. Yeah, wait, I gotta just change that. I saw from Y, so again without this stuff and without ceiling. Here we go. So then the actual from X and from Y would be what? Isometric to orthogonal of those ISO from X and ISO from Y. And also after that, I gotta do, okay, let's call it with the stars. And then from X would be maximum of 0 and ceiling of from X with a star. Okay, yeah, let's just start with simple straightforward code and probably then we can optimize that. So ceiling, blah blah blah, the same. Okay, just like that. The terrible shitload of warnings, and yeah, let's have a look. Okay, now it is the same. What the actual fuck? I mean, why? And it's even going... No, it's the same. No, wait, it is going more and more below. Shit. I seriously fucked up somewhere. I'm afraid simple transform won't work. Why so? I mean, it is simple, like, operation like that. You just add or, like, remove some delta x and delta y. And I gotta do just the same thing, but in another coordinate system. So, why not? Okay. Okay, at that point, I'm a little bit lost here. So let's maybe output some debug text. Camera. That's the camera. Is it? Yeah, it is floating point, so let's output that. ISO, yeah, and it is ISO camera. ISO camera X, so 4 and 5, 5. Yeah, right. Yes, but have to calculate borders for array for every tile in... For every tile? Why? No, I mean, I have to calculate this only once for the actual map chunk, for the whole, this diamond thing. Like where to start drawing it, like the bounds. I'm only not sure why it's working like that. I'll just play with. No, your chunk is diamond. Yeah, it is. So what if I'm not touching one of those? Like -0. What if I'm only working with X? This is still very weird. Okay, what if I only work with Y? Okay. Ну, давай на русском. What the actual fuck? Why it is moving like diagonally, this line? And it is moving, I think, with me moving here, right? Yeah, it does move. I'm definitely missing something here. Okay, what again if I don't remove like anything? Oh, that is weird as well. Oh, wait. Isn't it because I'm like at the center of the... Well, it wouldn't... Okay, it wouldn't describe why like this line moving diagonally. Okay, so I have, yeah, -20 to 20 by Y and X -5 to 5 by X. Yeah, exactly. I was doing some calculations. So where are those? Yeah, like this. So I got this many tiles by width and this many by height. Yeah, so basically like 7 by 10. Oh, and this is half. So 7 here, 10 here. Yeah, that's correct. No, wait. -20 to 20 by Y for X. No, I'm lost at this point. But yeah, you continue. In the screen. Yeah, but the screen is kind of the same as isometric, right? Because those axes, they go like vertical, horizontal. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah, it would be like the snaky thing. Yeah, so I wouldn't have like exact rectangle here. It would be like this. So I will actually be drawing this extra bits of the sprites, but that's no problem. Okay, I'm not actually having the Telegram, so let me open that. Okay, yes, so the thing is, I think it has something to do with the camera, right? Okay, so this from thing is here from 44. Wait, what? Okay, so let me go to 0 then. Where is the magic to do that? Yeah, set up like this. So right now, it goes from 1 1 to 14 and 11. Okay. Okay, I gotta grab some soda, so I will be just in a minute. And I'm back. Yeah, saw the time. I actually forgot to grab it this time. Okay. Yeah, some carbs. That's what I needed. Right. So, yeah, right now I'm basically at the 0, right? Wait, those should be negative. So I gotta start like with -5 or like -7. So this should be the coordinate of this tile, right? So minus. Okay. So yeah, first of all, I've done some shit here. So let's put that back. Half tile. Yeah, no, half display width. Half display height. All right, here we go. Okay. So the coordinates of the array. Okay, wait. Well, let me just save it and open on the big screen. Okay, how do I? Fuck's sake. Where have I saved that? Oh yeah. Right, here we go. Yeah, probably let's go here. So in this, oh yeah, what the? Okay, so in this row, one element. Wait, yeah, right, that is right. And in this row, 3. Yeah, that's correct. And in this row, 5. Yeah, that makes sense. And then for some like length, it would be the same number. And then back 3, and then back to 1, and then back to nothing. Yeah, that makes sense. Wait, does it mean that I gotta have to do this for every row? For fuck's sake, I gotta do this for every row. Oh my. Damn it. Yes, you're right. You are right. I mean, I still can calculate this crap on the fly, but yeah, that would be a lot trickier. Oh, fuck. Okay, so let me replicate this drawing so I wouldn't forget. Yeah, in this my huge file. Yeah, thank you. So I gotta, yeah, like this grid. Oh yeah, for fuck's sake. No, not good. Not good at all. I gotta draw it bigger so I can understand. Is it changing for quite some time? And then, wait, how? Like, no. I didn't do that. Why I have such a terrible handwriting? Oh no. Yeah, something like that. So let's say we have a tiny map fragment, or rather a tiny screen resolution. So we only draw like this tile, and then this one, this one. I'm lost already by my terrible line drawing. What? Oh, for fuck's sake. Like that? Fuck's sake. Yeah, probably I should bind Ctrl Z to another button of the pen. Okay, so let's imagine there's this screen, something like that. And yeah, let's strike out what is drawn. So just calculate it once and shift with camera movement. Yeah, that actually makes sense. A romp. Yeah, I'm terrible at drawing, as you can probably tell. So yeah, I gotta actually draw that, and then this as well, and then this, and then this as well, and then this, but not that, I think, probably. Yeah, terrible. Just terrible. So... and maybe this one as well. Yeah, okay, so in this row we got 3 elements to draw, right? And in this, like, what, 5? And here again 5, 5, 5. And here 4 for some reason, and here 3. Okay, let's draw this as well. Okay, right. Okay. And I also would have to have like the beginning and the end for every row, and I got like 10 rows. Oh man, this is terrible. Yeah, okay, probably it would be much better to just draw some extra and just not give a fuck. I mean, to go back to this option where we draw some enclosing diamond here. Yeah, I would rather do that. Okay, let's go with that option then. So what do I do to achieve that? I gotta like this coordinate here. I can calculate that at least. And this, right? So I got like this height, and I got this like width. Right? So I know those. So this is H, this is W. So this is H. Extra variant is good if there will be tall object tiles. I mean, they're always like 40... what? Wait, 64 by 32. I mean, most of the time. I've seen some different sized tiles, but this is considered default. Right. So I know this. I'm trying to figure what would be the size of the rhombus. Ugh. Okay, so let me redraw this. This is some triangle. Those are the same, and this is H. Right? I know this. I want to know this thing. How do I know this thing? Twice big. Why twice? You mean twice the height? I'm not exactly sure it should be twice the height. Because for different screen ratios, it would be probably different, I'm figuring. And then this triangle. Oh, let's go with this one below. Fuck. This one. So this is the same, but this is like some different size here. It's also similar. And then W. And also... No, wait. Oh yeah, and also this angle is 90 degrees, isn't it? Fuck's sake. This, like, this crap. 90 degrees. Oh yeah. 90 degrees. And then this thing, for fuck's sake, also 90 degrees. Is it 90 degrees? Though, yeah, it is 90 degrees because it's a rhombus. So I can calculate that, I think. The square root of 2, maybe? Maybe? I'm not sure. So wait, the sum would be 360, so and those are the same, right? God damn it. I keep trying to draw with the mouse. So those angles are the same, which makes them 360 minus 90 over 2, which is 270, 135, right? 270, 90, 360, yeah. And the same thing for this one. So, where should I put the cosine? I'm not exactly sure. So if we go like here, we would have 45 degrees. Okay, let's go. Your rhombus is deformed, so no 90 degrees angle there. Well, yeah, it is. Wait, oh, yeah, you are talking about... Right, it is deformed because of the aspect ratio. So I actually don't have the 90 degrees. Oh, for fuck's sake. But wait, what about the sum of the... Well, this is some, like, calculus going on here. So what about the sum of the angles in this rhombus? Sorry, yeah, right, no problem. So sum of angles in four, how do I call it in rhombus? Rhombus. 3 and 60 degrees. Right, so because of those are similar here and here. I mean, are they divided equally? Can I say that? Wait. So this plus this is 180, right? So this is not 90 and this is not 90. This is some alpha and this is some beta, but alpha plus beta is 180. Right. I can probably work with that. Probably, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, the school maths. This is so like back to the school vibe. So 360, 180. Okay, so this makes sense. So then this alpha and beta, in sum they are 180, but I don't know what are those, what are they separately. Probably I can shove in some actual ratio like W over H somewhere. I'm kind of feeling that it would go somewhere here. Ugh. God, I hate geometry. So those are the same. I don't know this angle, but I know this height. And that's basically it. Yeah, I definitely have to think where do I fit this aspect ratio. Where do I fit it? Wait, do I even have to know this rhombus parameters? Yeah, I do have to know those because I have to calculate. This is my ultimate goal, X and Y of this thing. Right. Daka. Why though? Why would that be 2x? I mean, it's not obvious to me, at least. Yeah, I know I'm dumb, but I'm not exactly sure that would make 2 of x. Yeah, let me just move that here. Ooh, that was fun. Okay, let me just save it first. Yeah, I'm not sure this would be 2x. I mean, why would it? If you go from okay, well, you know what? Let me just go ahead and Google for the size of enclosing rhombus. Okay, so rhombus square, blah blah blah. What is the size of a rhombus? How to find the length of a diagonal? Is a formula for an area? No, is enclosed the correct word here? What is the area? Yeah, I gotta translate it from Russian because I don't know the word. Wait, what is the Russian word? Yeah, okay. Nested. Okay. Size of nested rhombus? No, wait, the rhombus is not nested, the rectangle is. The size of... Oh yeah, that's different. It's not... Okay, let me just Google in Russian for Lord's sake. Yeah, something like that, but round rectangle, right? Oh, fuck my life. I mean, how can one be so stupid. Yeah, can we have this? Okay. Tangential, quadrilateral, okay. Tangential. Oh, yeah, I think that's the word. Size of tangential rhombus. Yeah. Tangential quadrilateral. Ooh. Well, from America. Wait, what is quadrilateral? Four-sided polygon having 4 edges and 4 corners vertices. Weird. But okay, so rhombus. Conditional binary type. Wait, I'm not even having a rhombus, have I? Because it's... I mean, it's not exactly... Oh yeah, it would be just a rectangle if it would have the same width and height, right? Just rotated 45 degrees. For Lord's sake. Oh, let me save that and have a look, have a closer look at that. So, pew, the same. Okay, they are the same. Okay, so because of that, the fuck. Yeah, okay, 2h. H, so H goes here. And then H, wait. So H is this one. Well, actually, wait. So this would be half of H, right? And then the triangles are equal. Oh, probably they are, but how come this is 2h if this... Well, technically it's half of h, and then this is probably half of h as well, and the whole thing is just 1h. So if the whole width is 1h here, and here's h1, then yeah, they are twice the size. But and yeah, if they are twice the size, then yeah, this is the width would be twice. But how can you be sure that this okay. Yeah, exactly. If you grow it twice, it grows twice in every direction. That's obvious. But I mean, I'm trying to figure, can one be sure that those triangles here are exactly equal? And then they both are like h by half. Okay, let's try that. Let's try and think that this thing is... Okay, so what this thing is again? Twice. So 2h and 2w. Okay, so let's go with that proposition. So let's say this actual rhombus is like 2... Wait, so here like width. So where would that be to with, like, here? Wait. So if this is W with, like this is, oh, yeah, I see. This thing is to W and this thing is to H. Alright. Okay, we got it. So what I'm after is like the coordinate of that thing. So if this is considered 0 on the screen, am I thinking correctly here? So, I mean, would I be starting with, yeah, I think so. So I got this tiny rectangle here that's in, and it got, yeah, the width of W here. So yeah, what we basically have is this rectangle with this point I'm trying to find, and then here, okay. Right, so let me think. Oh yeah, and somewhere here along the line would be this 0. Let's call it x0, y0. So this thing here is, wait, can I like zoom in here? All right. So this thing here is what it is, like width and a half, I think. Yeah, you're right. That's exactly my feeling. Just, yeah, exactly. So this thing here should be W by 2, right? I mean, if this whole thing is W, and it's kind of symmetric, yeah, W by 2. And here, I'm figuring H by 2. Here we go. So then, but I don't know, like, this line here, its width, and this here as well. But wait, I do know it is, I mean, again, because of the symmetry, this is W and this is H. Okay, cool. We're getting somewhere. Dun, 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 dun. So okay, what we have in a nutshell is this X and Y I'm trying to find, and this is x0, y0, which is basically the start of the screen. And this triangle has like W by 2 and H by 2. And this, of course, is right angle. That's kinda easy, isn't it? You gotta just do sine and cosine it and whatever. I think. Wait, but I don't know the angle, do I? No, wait, I think I do know the angle because it is... Oh, the angle. Right. So I can calculate the angle here from knowing those sides, right? Yeah, I can. Okay, cool. So I think I can use a tangent here and get like this angle. Alright, so what would that be? Where's my browser? Tangent. No, I mean the function. Yada yada. Yeah, to calculate the angle, because I don't know any angles in that rhombus, do I? tangential angle. Is that the thing? Oh, fuck me. It's not the thing. Triangle. Math is fun. Yeah, of course it is. Especially when you know it. So, tangent, what do you need? Well, because I don't know this angle and I kinda know x0 and y0, I want to calculate this. Wait. Oh, yeah, I can just add... Can't I? I can just add h by half and w by half. Wait a second. So if I subtract from this point x like w by 2, I get here, and then if I also subtract... God, I'm so stupid. Yeah, you can see why am I so bad at geometry. Alright, so what I have to do, I think, is to calculate like this coordinate of the screen. That's the screen. And then just add this half thing, right? Yeah, right. The screen, okay. Alright. So instead of this thing with camera, but you already know how many tiles fit in screen. Double it. Yeah, that's exactly my idea. So I only have to know where the screen starts, right? And for that, I gotta do something like I was doing previously. Yeah, like this. Viewport to absolute, screen to tiles. Something in the spirit of that. And I'm not liking how it is getting more and more similar to that code. But whatever. So, right. Viewport to absolute. Do I have to call viewport to absolute 0, 0? Yeah, I think I do, because it is related to the coordinate of the screen. Okay. Sorry, the coordinate of the camera. And then screen to tiles. Ooh. Wait. So what would happen if I do... Yeah, first of all, if I do that, and then viewport to absolute... God damn it. Viewport to absolute 0, 0. No, those are in pixels. So then I gotta do what? Screen or like multiple value call. Yeah, screen to tiles. Yeah, that's exactly the numbers, the number of tiles that fit in the screen, right? So I don't think I have to double it, do I? Because this is like the position here, and then this, wait. Half, yeah, okay. It is good when all transformations are similar. It shows you getting rid of clearly, yeah, right. The crutches or hacks, let's say. So, what do I have to do? I'm a bit lost at this point, to be frank. So those are the number of tiles I have to subtract from what? Wait. Well, first of all, I think I gotta also add oh boy. Wait, so what if I move this change, right? If I move... Yeah, it does change. Okay. So instead of doing that crap, I gotta just go with... so let's change that to MVLED, and I don't think I need those anyway. But whatever. Dun, 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 dun. So right, this thing. I'm not sure. Make it wider by steps, but do it twice in the end. Okay, let's just see. So, how do I even call it? The like, wait. So, screen start. Okay, let's call it screen start. Right. So this is the isometric. Let's call it screen start ISO. Screen start ISO. How it was called previously? StartX. Yeah. All right. So screen start ISO and screen start. Wait. Screen start ISO X and screen start ISO Y. So this would be the result of multiple valley call of screen to tiles to viewport to absolute. I'm not exactly sure I'm doing the correct thing here, but yeah, let's just go along with the flow. And then to wait. I'm a bit lost again. So screen start. Okay, so I also can calculate the actual start, can't I? No, I can't, because it should take into account the where the map chunk starts, right? And those are orthogonal. I'm getting dizzy at this point. Yeah, so let's maybe remove that crap. Start with like 0. Oops. God damn it. 0. So, and then this thing, yeah, also. Right. So I got this screen start ISO X, screen start ISO Y, which are basically those X0 and Y0, I think. So I gotta add... No, I gotta subtract half of those things to get here. I mean, when I should start taking into account where this map chunk starts. Okay, so it starts somewhere here, right? I mean, this might be here, and this might be like here as well. This rhombus here, and I gotta like, no, that would be the screen, and the screen here would be like here. So this also might be the case. Yeah, I'm not following. So let's just start with this 0 case and see if that works. So screen start ISO X, screen start ISO Y. Right, so we gotta like put it here, right? ISO... Wait, what was it? Screen start ISO X. Have I typed it correctly? Yeah, I have. So then this thing, and then it goes here. Here we go. So is that working? So now we start from 0, 0, and then from 0 to... For fuck's sake, it's not working. Why, though? And if I move here, wait, this is weird. From X from Y, X from Y. Oh yeah, probably because I forgot to add this half thing here. Okay, I did forget to do that. So let's maybe do it right here. Well, not add, but subtract. So let's subtract from here. Subtract what? Half display width. Display width, and here we would subtract half display height. Display height. Here we go. Okay, now it's better. But then again, the Y is 0 here for some reason. But in terms of X coordinate, it kind of works, I guess. And I still got like 30 FPS. Right, and now from 0, 0. Yes, so 0, 0 is there below. And we are moving here. And it changes to... Okay, so it changes only here, right? It's a bit weird. What is it though? Yeah, I don't think it is. So we got like this huge rhombus. I'm trying to imagine that. Yeah, it kinda makes sense. But then again, what is wrong with Y coordinate? I'm not following. Wait, I gotta... Yeah, to test that, I gotta be at position where... Where? I'm not sure. Like, I gotta move here? Okay, let's set our position to, I don't know, 50-50. Okay, 0-31. Weird. Okay, let's move to the very bottom. No, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna just randomly poke around the map. Yeah, okay, what if I set 100 here? Alright, hey, stop. Okay. From 0-31. Why 0 though? I mean... Okay, what if we go to 100 and 0? Wait, where am I? Oh, and now it starts from... Yeah, 32, but where am I exactly? To test, make screen resolution bigger. Well, I guess it would also... Well, first of all, that's kind of hard, actually, to do. And then... But yeah, maybe not. But then it would also... I mean, those numbers of screen resolution would also go here to display width and display height, and they also would change the maths here. Oh yeah, here we are. And yeah, it's not working correctly for the X coordinate here, I guess. Oh yeah, wait, no. That shit is weird. Yeah, I don't believe that's correct. Oh boy. So now I'm at this end of the map. Okay, so let me just drop some crap there so I would be sure. So let's go here, and I don't know, add something here to note something here, and then let's also go to this location here and add, I don't know, something like that, and then let's go at this angle and add, I don't know, some plant grass. Is it the grass layer? No. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Go back. stuff. Yeah, whatever. So here we go. Now I gotta restart the whole thing to reload the map. God damn it. Wait, what? Oh, fuck me. Map system, viewport absolute. Yeah, right, that's because... Because why? Oh, viewport absolute. Map chunks. Wait, why? Oh, yeah, I see. That's because the camera is not created at this point. Fuck my life. So, viewport absolute. Okay, so F entity valid be like camera entity. We do that, and in other case we just do values 0, 0, whatever. They wouldn't be taken into account anyway. Wait, what? Oh, like that? Yeah. Okay. So, new game. Right, so let's go to this another coordinate here. Yeah, I can see this like thingy here, but the map is not rendered. So this is not correct. Fuck, why? Yeah, sure, you can go here. And then... Weird. This is really weird. Yeah, and here is the map. Why is it doing it to me? So viewport absolute. Okay, I'm just completely lost at that point, so I think I gotta work on that later and try and figure out why it's not working for the right corner. Let me just comment about that. So, not working for the left corner. Or like when standing. When standing in the left corner of the map. Okay, I think that's all for today, so thank you very much for watching and thanks for helping. So yeah, come back next Saturday, and if you speak Russian, come back Tuesday, because there will be Russian speaking stream on Tuesday at the same time. So yeah, take care and goodbye.